चारों रूप से सर्व प्रकार निर्विघ्न से भागवत कथा चल रही है,
without any disturbance, without any problem. The Harikatha is going on with the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityanand Prabhu, with the causeless mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityanand Prabhu, and Narsingh Dev. This katha is going on, and we are trying to do this Harikatha.
अखंड विश्व ब्रह्मांड के नायक ब्रह्मा आदि बड़े देवताओं की प्रणम्य ऐसे प्रातः प्रदत्त स्वयं भगवान बजरंग संसंगर की कथा ब्रज कथा में श्रवण करने की।
Yesterday we were listening about Krishna. Krishna, he is doing so beautiful, so sweet pastimes in the Braja. He is pleasing to everyone.
आनंद समुद्र मदना इद्रिकस लीलाभि आनंद कुंडे सघोषं निमज्जन्तम् अक्षापयन्तम् तद्यसितव्येषु भक्तिर्दस्तत्तं पुनः प्रेमस्तत्तं सदा वृद्धि बंधु। पद्म पुराण
In Padma Puran,
सत्यव्रत मुनि
Muni,
अनेक लीलाओं की कथा वर्णन की है।
he is explaining about many pastimes of Krishna.
वर्णन करते करते भाव में आदिष्ट हो गए।
And while explaining this Harikatha, he is absorbed in the moods, because Brajendra Nandan Krishna, the Braj Krishna,
उनकी लीलाएं इतनी मधुर है,
his katha is so beautiful, so sweet.
मधुरम हसितं मधुरम चलितं
That's why it is said,
गलितं मधुरम मधुरम मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरम। मधुराष्टक में
in Madhura Ashtakam,
सारी
Krishna's
लीलाएं मधुर हैं।
all sweet pastimes of Krishna.
सदियों की आनंद प्रदान
Krishna
करने
is
के लिए
pleasing to everyone.
स्वयं भगवान नित्य गोलोक
For
वृंदावन
pleasing
धाम
to
से
everyone, Krishna is
अपने
appearing in this
परिकरों के
material world.
साथ इस धराधाम
He is
में
coming in this material world with his all the
जिस
associates.
कथा प्रसंग का हम श्रवण कर रहे
Yesterday
थे,
we heard
ये कृष्ण
Krishna,
किस प्रकार
how Krishna
ब्रज में समस्त प्रकार रस को
in
आस्वादन
Braja, how beautiful moods he is accepting.
संत दस सख
Shanta Dasya, Sakya Vatsalya,
और मधुर
and Madhurya.
ये पांच मुख्य रस माने जाते
This is
हैं
called 5 primary moods
और 7 गौण रस
and 7
अद्भुत
secondary.
रस वीर
Adbhut
विभत्स
Rasya, Vivatsa, Karun,
आदि ऐसे के
and many other.
गौण रस के बारे में
7 secondary rasas are moods are Acharya Pad have mentioned.
पश्चिम तो रुचिरुद्ध तारक तारक आप कलित श्यामा नीतो राधा प्रियाम विधूरी जयती। राधा जी के जो प्राण स्वरूप है,
Krishna is heart of Radharani,
चंद्र
that Krishna Chandra,
रसो रसो वैसध्येवाय
that Krishna should be glorified.
भगवती संग रस समग्र होकर के रस के
He is the source of all the rasas, all the moods, but he is relishing that moods, and he is allowing the devotees to
इसके कृष्ण के कहा जाता है रसिक
relish
शेखर।
that moods.
ठीक
So that's why Krishna is called, Krishna is topmost.
स्वीट मेलोडी इतने सुंदर मधुर ताल लय मान आदि
Krishna
के
with
द्वारा
his tal lay man,
संगीत आदि करते
he is
हैं
doing so beautiful
और भक्त
dance,
भी
and he is
नचाते हैं।
making the devotees also dance.
इससे काल हम लोग
That's why
विहंग दृष्टि के भांति
yesterday
रास लीला की कुछ कथा
we spoke something about Rasa Leela.
जिससे सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद परीक्षित
Sukdev
महाराज
Goswami Pad is
कृष्ण
telling
के सर्वोत्तम जो लीला
to Parikit Maharaj the topmost Leela, Krishna's topmost Leela, Rasa Leela. He told to Parikit Maharaj.
और स्वयं कृष्ण
And Krishna himself,
राधा पूर्णिमा रात्रि को देख करके गोपियों की मुख कमल की उद्दीपना की
Krishna,
और स्वयं कृष्ण पहली बार
Krishna at the night
यमुना
time,
कुंड में पधारे
he first time
वृंदावन की ऐसी
came
सुंदर
nearby Yamuna.
Nirmal.
So Vrindavan is so beautiful place.
बंसीवाद
Nearby
यमुना की
Vamsivat.
इतने सुंदर स्थान मनोरम
So beautiful place this Vamsivat.
वह शरद ऋतु में
That time was
स्वयं
Sharad
पूर्णिमा
Ritu.
रात्रि में
At the night time,
चंद्र की उदित होने के साथ ही साथ
when
पूर्व दिशा
moon
किस
came
प्रकार
in the east direction,
के द्वारा सुगंधित थी
the direction was filled with the
नवकुमार रंजित
red color.
इतने सुंदर
So beautiful,
ऐसे सुंदर देख करके
so
कृष्ण के हृदय
beautiful
में
scene that Krishna,
राधा आदि गोपियों के साथ रास विलास
so
करने के
Krishna
लिए
get desire that Krishna get the stimulation that he wants to do Rasa Leela with the Radharani and the gopis, because the gopis face
और चंद्रमा के ऐसे सुंदर
and moon
सुंदर जो माधुर्य जो
and
मंडित
moon's this
उसको
beauty.
देख करके कृष्ण के हृदय
When
में
Krishna saw the beauty of the moon and the gopis face,
इच्छा
so then Krishna got this desire to do Rasa Leela with the gopis.
उस समय
When Krishna was 6 years old, then Krishna did this.
गोपियों की वरदान दिया था। ये गोपियों
He steal the clothes of gopis when he was 6 years old, and he promised to the gopis that next year when I will be 7 years old, then I will fulfill all your desires. Lord himself saying that whosoever is attracted, absorbed towards me, then all the kama krodh that will be finished.
जिस प्रकार गेहूं
Like-
अथवा धान को यदि
Paddy or rice,
उबालते हुए जल
when they are boiled in the boiled water,
डाल दिया जाए,
when it is
वैसे
put
वो
into
हो
the
जाए।
boiled water,
ठीक उसी प्रकार
and in that same way,
कृष्ण में आविष्ट होने
if
पर
somebody is absorbed in Krishna, then Jiva's all kama krodh, lobh,
अनंत
moh,
काल के लिए वो नष्ट हो जाए।
it is finished for
और चित्त
many
निर्मल
years.
हो
And then,
उस निर्मल हृदय में
and with that pure heart,
गोविंद की उदाहरण करने के लिए योग बन जाता है।
then that place is clean now, is place, and then Krishna can stay at that place. Krishna can sit at that place.
हे गोपीगण,
Then Krishna is saying, "Oh Gopigan,
गृह में लौट करके
you please go back to your house, your place."
और अगले शरद पूर्णिमा में
And at the time of Sharad
अपने
Purnima,
में सारी
I
मनोवांछा
will
को
fulfill all your
पूरा करूंगा।
desires.
किंतु कृष्ण जब
But Krishna,
6-7 साल के हुए
when he was 6-7 years old,
तब
then
स्वर्ग के राजा इंद्र
Swarg King, Heaven King, Indra, he was making disturbance in the Braja. Why?
ब्रजवासी लोग
Brajvasis,
इंद्र की पूजा
they left the worship of Indra,
इसलिए इंद्र क्रोधित
and that's
होकर
why
के
Indra becomes so angry,
ब्रज को
and he
संपूर्ण रूप में नष्ट करने के
he
लिए
tried to
प्रयास
destruct the
किया।
Braj
और ब्रज की
completely.
रक्षा करने के लिए
And for protecting the Braja, Lord himself, Krishna,
विशाल गिरिराज गोवर्धन के गए
he lifted the Giriraj
बोलो
Govardhan.
गिरिराज महाराज की जय हो, बोलो गिरिराज धारण की जय। इसलिए
That's why
कृष्ण
Krishna,
7 साल के समय
when he was 7 years
गोपियों
old,
की जो है वो मनोवांछा पूरा कर नहीं पाया,
Krishna was unable to fulfill the desires of the gopis.
इसलिए 8 साल में अष्टम
So
वर्ष
when he
में
was 8 years
कृष्ण
old,
जब
Krishna,
8 साल के
when he
हुए,
was 8 years old,
और उस समय
and at
कृष्ण
that time
बंसी वादन करके
Krishna played his flute,
गोपियों की वह रासस्थली में
and then
बुलाया
Krishna he called at the Rasasthali to the
और
gopis,
उनके साथ
and then
मधुर रास किया।
he did sweet Rasa Leela.
ये सब कथा
All this katha
हम वर्णन करते हैं। बड़े संक्षेप
we
में
explain.
कृष्ण की रास लीला जो सबसे उत्तम
Krishna Rasa Leela is the topmost and the sweet Leela.
सभी भक्त की आनंद रस में उन्होंने डुबाया।
Krishna he pleased all the devotees, mother, father,
सखाओं
friends,
और अपने प्राण प्रीतम को
and Krishna's heart, gopis,
सभी को डुबाया।
and he pleased everyone. Everyone was so much absorbed in the
आनंद की
bliss.
कल्लोल वारिधि हिल्लोल चलने लगी।
There was
इसके पश्चात
so much happiness mood in the
Narad
Braj,
Rishi.
and then Narad Rishi
ब्रज में
he went to the Braja.
नारद ऋषि आकर के भगवान
Narad
के कहने लगे,
Rishi he said to the Lord, "O Prabhu,
आप जिस कार्य के लिए संसार में आते हैं ये तो आधा पूर्ण हो गई।
for what reason you have appeared in the Braja? Your half work is done, but half is still
आप
remaining.
ब्रजवासियों की आनंद रस में डुबाया।
You absorbed the
सभी
Brajvasis in the bliss.
ब्रजवासी ने आपको किया।
Brajvasis
क्या
are
आप
your
मथुरावासी
most
की
dearest
तरफ
to
आप
you.
देखोगे नहीं?
You will not see,
क्या
look at the
मथुरावासी
Mathuravasis.
भक्त नहीं हैं?
Mathuravasis are not your devotees,
विशेष करके
especially
देवकी और वसुदेव
Devaki and Vasudev.
किस प्रकार कंस
How
के कारागार में
They were,
पड़ी हुई।
they are staying in the prison
और
house
दुष्ट
of Kansa. Cruel
देवकी और
Kansa.
वसुदेव के छत्ती के ऊपर पत्थर रख करके रखे।
The Kansa, he have put the big stone on the chest of Devaki and Vasudev. You will not deliver them, you will not help them. Raja
कंस
Ugrasen,
के पिता
Kan's father,
निष्ठुर कंस
how cruel Kansa,
अपने पिता उग्रसेन की भी
his father
जेल
Ugrasen,
में
he have put him into the prison
क्या
house.
उसको तुम दंड नहीं दोगे?
You will not punish to the Kansa?
कंस अपने
कंस
दुष्ट दुराचारियों के साथ
With his bad
सारे
friends,
मथुरावासी को कितने कष्ट दे
he is giving so pain, so much suffering to the Mathuravasis. Like all the Mathura is like completely destructed, completely damaged. You will not protect the Mathuravasis. You mention in the, you promised in the Bhagavad Gita.
बिना सहाय के दुष्टता धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि जुगे जुगे। दुष्ट दुराचारी के दमन करना ये तो आप ही कर सकते प्रभु।
Punishing the cruel, the bad person. This is your task, your job, Lord. When you will kill this Kans,
सारे मथुरावासी को उजाड़
this Kansa, he is giving so much problem, so much suffering to the Mathura. You please, as soon as possible, come to the Mathura and then,
अपनी मथुरावासी की रक्षा करें।
and please protect this Mathuravasis.
इस प्रकार
In this way, Narad Rishi, after listening the words of Narad Rishi, Krishna,
मणि मन विचार
he start thinking in his heart
मेरे परम प्रिय
that my dearest Narad Rishi,
वह स्मरण दिलाया,
he remembered me, he reminded me
जाना ही पड़ेगा।
that I should go.
किंतु भगवान मन मन विचार
But
करने लगे।
Krishna was start thinking in his
मैं
mind
इधर
that
छोड़ करके जाऊं
how I can leave the
तो
Braj.
ब्रजवासी
Then Brajvasis,
कष्ट में दीन में
how much they will feel pain, how they will live without me. So he start thinking like this.
और
And
इधर कंस
here Kansa,
कृष्ण को मारने के लिए एक एक करके अनेकों असुरों के उन्होंने भेजा।
Kansa, he is sending one by one many demons from Putana to Saktasur, Trinavat, Aghasur, Bakasur,
जितने असुर काकासुर,
and many other Sutakasur, and he,
सब अपने
all the demons he send, all the demons he send one by one to kill Krishna.
किंतु आज तक
But till
कोई भी
that
व्यक्ति
time, no
वृंदावन
demon,
से
no demon that he was not able to go back from Vrindavan.
बात कहते हैं,
Our Acharyapad are saying that if someone just enter the Vrindavan, that person cannot go out from Vrindavan.
तद्धामं परमं मम। भगवान कहते हैं मेरे प्रिय स्थान, मेरे
Lord
प्रिय
is saying that
वृंदावन।
my dearest place is Vrindavan Dham.
एक बार कोई वृंदावन
If
धाम
somebody
में
just
प्रवेश करे,
come once to
और
the
वृंदावन से
Vrindavan,
बाहर
then I will not allow that
इसके
person to
स्वयं
leave the
भगवान
Vrindavan. So Lord
योग
Himself,
माया के द्वारा
with the help of Yoga Maya,
सारे असुर के उसी वृंदावन में ही मनो आकर्षण करके लाए हैं।
all the demons were attracted with the help of Yoga Maya, and they all were delivered by the Krishna.
पूतना मोक्षण
Like
के लिए
Putana
आके
deliverance Leela,
कथा आप लुके निकट में हैं।
I already told to you.
कितना सुंदर
So
पूतना
beautiful
मोक्षण की
Putana deliverance Leela.
इसे भगवत धाम में कोई एक बार
So if
जाए,
somebody just once go to Bhagavad
वो
Dham,
कभी वापिस नहीं।
then that person is not again going back to their places.
इस प्रकार
So in this way,
केसी दैत्य की भी
Kesi Dette, Kesi demon
भेज दिया।
was
अंतिम
sent
जो
by the Kansa.
था,
The last demon
जो
was
मथुरा से वृंदावन में
who came from Mathura
कृष्ण के
to
मांगने के लिए
Vrindavan to kill the Krishna.
वो था
He was
केसी दैत्य।
Kesi Dette, Kesi
स्वयं
demon.
भगवान
Lord
कृष्ण
himself, Krishna,
वृंदावन में
in Vrindavan,
यमुना की पुली में
nearby Yamuna,
केसी दैत्य की भी वध
he
किया
killed
था।
the Kesi demon. So till that place is known as Kesi Ghat.
केसी दैत्य की
Kesi, because Krishna killed Kesi Dette in Kesi Ghat. That is so beautiful and sweet place, so beautiful pastime.
केसी दैत्य की मारने के स्थान है।
That place is where the Kesi demon was killed.
केसी दैत्य भी
Kesi demon,
मृत्यु नहीं।
he was not able to go back to Vrindavan. He was not able to go back to Mathura. When Krishna, he was playing with his
गोचारण करने थे।
doing gazing of cows, and that was afternoon
सभी
time.
सखा लोग
He was with his boyfriends. They were sitting under the tree,
और
and at that time
सखाओं के साथ कृष्ण
Krishna was with his boyfriends.
परिहास आदि कर रही थी।
He was
उस समय मधुमंगल कहने
was
लगे,
doing loving quarrel with his friends, and at that time the friends, their boyfriends said that
इतने सुंदर सुंदर भोजन क्यों कराते हैं?
they asked to the Krishna, why gopis are serving you with very nice food items, laddu, kachora, why they are serving you so nice beautiful food items, what is the reason?
पुनः मधुमंगल कहने कुछ
So
कारण
Madhumangal said, no reason.
देखो
See,
तुम्हारी ये पीताम्बर
this your pitambar
और
and
बंसी
your flute
और
and
मोरपंख,
this peacock
ये
feather.
तीनों के देख करके गोपियां मोहित हो जाती
These gopis are attracted because of these three things. That's why gopis are serving you,
भोजन
give
पकवान
so
आदि।
food items, very nice food items, delicious food items.
देखो हमें यदि ऐसे एक तीन मिल जाए,
If I will get all these things, pitambar,
येलो गारमेंट्स
yellow garments,
और बंसी
this flute
और मोरपंख,
and peacock feather,
तो गोपियां तुम्हें
then
बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं
gopis,
देंगे।
they will not give you anything. Then they will give to us.
कृष्ण बोले, मधुमंगल
Krishna said, Madhumangal, very beautiful. You are saying very beautiful thing, very good thing. You please take my this yellow
येलो
garment.
गारमेंट दे दे।
Please take my yellow
और
garment
मेरे मोरपंख
and peacock feather
और ये बंसी।
and this flute. You please take.
मधुमंगल बोले ठीक है।
Madhumangal said, okay.
मधुमंगल कृष्ण से
Madhumangal,
पीताम्बर
he took from Krishna pitambar, yellow garment and
मोरपंखा
peacock feather
और बंसी लेके
and flute. He took.
लीलाधारी लीला पुरुषोत्तम
Krishna, who is doing all this
जो लीला करने
leelas.
वाले हैं, जो माया के द्वारा ही सब कुछ हो जाता है।
With the help of Yogamaya, everything is happening.
मथुरा में
And at that
कम से
day,
इतने विचलित हो गया,
Kansa
चिंता करने लगे,
was so
जितने
anxious
भेजा, आज तक
that
कोई भी लेकर के नहीं आया।
I have sent many demons, but nobody came back. So what should I do? So at that time,
कंस के एक मित्र था,
Kansa's dearest friend was,
उसके नाम था
his
केसी।
name was Kesi demon.
वो घोड़े के रूप
He was able to take the form of horse.
कंस के कहने लगे मित्र ये बताओ
So he asked to Kansa, "Oh my friend, tell me what is the form of Krishna, how he looks, and where he stays." So Kansa said he stays in Vrindavan. You tell me how he looks. I will go in Vrindavan. I will go and kill, and I'm just here. Just tell me how he looks.
कंस कहने
I will
लगे
just
देखो,
go and will come back. Kansa said,
जिसने पीताम्बर पहनी हुई
"Who is wearing the yellow garment, and on whose head
मोर पंखा है,
peacock feather,
हाथ पर
and in his hand flute."
यही कृष्ण
That is Krishna.
कैसी दैत्य
Kasi demon.
He
He was doing hin. He was doing hin.
वृंदावन में
And he went to the Vrindavan nearby Yamuna.
उसी समय
And at that time,
कृष्ण सखाओं के साथ
Krishna,
हंस परिहास आदि करते
he was
थे।
doing this loving quarrel with his boyfriends and Madhumangal, and he was wearing Krishna's yellow garment, in his hand Krishna's flute, and on his head was peacock feather. And Kasi demon, he started thinking, "Oh, he is the Krishna." Kasi demon, he took the form of big horse. He was running, and he was going towards Madhumangal.
बात मधु
And
वो कैसी दैत्य की
Kasi demon,
इतने हवा जो है
there was so heavy wind, and because of that wind, strong wind, the Madhumangal was rolling in the mud, and he was saying to Krishna, "Oh, please help me, please take back your yellow garment, your flute, and your peacock feather. I don't want all that things. Please help me."
कृष्ण देव
Krishna.
उस समय कृष्ण
Krishna at that time,
उस कैसी दैत्य के निकट आ गए, घुड़े
he
के
went
निकट
near
आ
to
गए।
the horse, Kasi demon,
अपने पीछे की पैर के द्वारा
and from the back
गले को
side,
मारने के लिए प्रयास किया।
and that horse from his back leg, he was trying to kill the Krishna, and Krishna was a little bit far
वो
away,
कैसी दैत्य
and again that Kasi
गलिंग के आक्रमण
demon,
करने
he was
लगे।
trying to attack the Krishna.
2-4 बार भगवान
After 2-3 times, Krishna,
मानो वीर रस
he was relishing this Veera ras, and at the end, Govinda,
तो हम कैसी दैत्य
he
मुंह में
in his mouth,
अपने हाथ
he put his hand in the mouth of the Kasi demon,
हाथ जो
Lord's hand.
तपे हुए लोहे के भांति
It was like
लाल और उस हाथ को ऐसे
it was like hot
मुंह में घुसा
iron.
और घुसाने के
Hot
साथ
iron.
साथ
When he put the hand in the mouth of the Kasi demon, and when he put his hand, he was passing the stool. That demon was passing the stool and urine, and he died at same time. And then in this way, Krishna, he delivered Kasi demon. This Katha Sukdev Goswami Pad, he told to Parikshit Maharaj, this was the last demon who was killed by Krishna, Kasi demon.
प्रश्न भी आपको हो सकता
You can ask this question.
है, इतने बड़े बड़े असुरों को
Krishna, he have killed many
मथुरा
big
से वृंदावन में भेजा,
Kansa he sent many big demons in the Vrindavan. Why he didn't came himself? This is a very beautiful secret behind this. Our commentators have mentioned in the scriptures. Krishna knows.
ये वृंदावन की जो
Kansa knows that this dust of Vrindavan dust is not ordinary.
चिंतामणि पर सद्म सुकल भविष्य
It is
लक्षा सुरभि रघुर पाले मुतम लक्ष्मी
wish fulfilling this dust.
गोविंदम आदि पुरुषम तमहम भजामि भूमि चिंतामणि वृंदावन की जो भूमि धूलि का नाम
Vrindavan,
चिंतामणि
this dust, they are able to fulfill the desires of everyone.
वंशी प्रिय से वृंदावन की धूलि का नाम
Vrindavan, this dust, this is not ordinary thing.
देखो
See,
कंस के अनुभव था
Kans, he have this experience.
ये वृंदावन की धूलि का नाम है ना जाने
This,
कौन सा एक जादू
there is
टोना
some
है।
magic, some black magic in this dust of Vrindavan.
कंस की ये अनुभव
Kansa have this experience already, because once from Mathura
वृंदावन आ गए
he went to Vrindavan.
केवल मथुरा की सीमाना
But just he crossed the border and he he went to the Vrindavan, and just he put his step in the Vrindavan, and then at the same time Purnamasi Yogamaya,
पकड़ गए
she caught the Kansa, and she caught, and then
एक सरोवर में
And
गड्ढे
she-
पानी में उनको डुबा
she
दिया।
drawn her in one pond.
और डुबा देने के डुबा-
And
डुबाने
at
के
that
साथ ही
time,
साथ
and at that
हम
same
सब
time,
एक
Kans he become
डोगरी
Dogri, a old lady.
है, डोगरी बन गई।
He become Dogri, old lady.
बाल सफेद हो गए।
His hair
और बाल नीचे चले
his
गए,
hair
आँख
become white.
उसकी
His cheeks went inside, and his eyes also went inside. So Kans start thinking, what happened to me?
इतने समय को
And at that same time,
ब्रज गोपियाँ आई
Braj Gopis they came.
और उनके पूछा तुम कहाँ के रहने वाली
Then
हो?
they start asking, from where you are?
हैं? अरे डगरी
Oh, old lady, from which village you are? From which town you are?
कम से कम उत्तर नहीं।
Kans, he was not able to give any answer. He was so powerful,
वृंदावन में
but in Vrindavan,
प्रवेश होने के साथ
when he entered in the Vrindavan, he become like old lady,
और सारी
and all the gopis they were
उनका मान
punching to him, and Kans was shouting,
तो कृष्ण
help me, and Kansa
विचार में क्या
he was start thinking, what should I? All the gopis they were punching to Krishna and Kansa was help me, and Yogamaya Purnamasi Devi, and she again drawn in the same pond, and then Kans he got his again Kans body, and then at that time Kans he ran away from the Vrindavan, and Kans he knows very well that the Vrindavan, this dust in the water, there is some power,
इसलिए कम से स्वयं
and so Kansa
नाती
he was not coming to Vrindavan.
अभी कथा में इस प्रकार हमारे आचार्य पाद वर्णन करते हैं
So our Acharya Pad are
कम से
mentioned.
बहुत विचलित हो गए चिंतित
Kans was so
करने लगे
anxious that
ये कृष्ण की कैसे मारा जाए
how I should kill
इसलिए
Krishna.
कंस
So
मथुरा
Kansa
में जितने
he-
बड़े बड़े असुर जो है और सभी को बुलाया
he requested everyone, he requested all the big demons, all the powerful demons, and he requested them, what should I do? So some demons were suggesting him that, Kans, listen to me,
सांप जब तक गर्त में रहेगा
if snake is in his hole,
उस सांप को आप मार नहीं
you will be
सकते।
not able to kill that snake.
सांप को क्या करना पड़ेगा
What should you do with the snake?
बाहर निकालो।
You should make that snake come out from his hole.
अर्थात तात्पर्य कृष्ण
What does
जब
it
तक
mean?
वृंदावन
If
में
Krishna will stay in Vrindavan,
कृष्ण बलराम को जो आप नहीं मानते
you will be not able to kill Krishna and Balaram. You should do one thing.
कृष्ण और बलराम के जो है
You should
वृंदावन से मथुरा लेकर जाए
you should
और मथुरा
bring
में जब
Krishna and Balaram from Vrindavan to Mathura, and when they will come to Mathura, and when we all the demons, big demons here,
कृष्ण बलराम को
we will surround them and we will kill them.
सरल उपाय है
This is easy option.
सांप चीजें गर्त में
If
रहेंगे,
snake is in the
आप
hole,
ऊपर से जितना ही
you will beat from
लकड़ी के
the
द्वारा पिटाई करो,
top, but
उस सांप
with the
गर्त से
stick,
बाहर नहीं
but
आएगा।
snake will not come out from the hole, and he will be not killed. So
सांप को
so
मारने के लिए क्या चाहिए
what is the option to kill the snakes? So he should come out from his hole.
गर्त से बाहर गड्ढा से सांप को कैसे निकालोगे
How we will take him out from the hole?
देखो गर्म पानी डाल दो
If you will put hot water,
गड्ढा में जिस
if
गड्ढे
you
में
will,
सांप है,
in some hole there is snake, you should put some boiled water, hot water, then that snake will come out.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
So in the same way,
सारे असुर लोग कम से
all the
कम कितने
demons
लगे?
they were giving
एक
this
काम करो,
suggestion that you should do one thing.
कृष्ण और बलराम को जो है
You should-
वृंदावन से
you should
मथुरा लाने
invite
के लिए
the-
आपको एक plan बनाना
You should
पड़ेगा।
make one. You should do planning You should do some planning that Krishna and Balaram should come from Vrindavan to Mathura. You should arrange Dhanush Yagya, Dhanush fire sacrifice.
और उसमें अनेक
And in that
एंटरटेनमेंट
there should be so many entertainments. You should
ये कृष्ण और बलराम
announce that Krishna and Balaram
इस धनुष यज्ञ में
they should participate in this Dhanush Yagya. You should invite them.
देखो कृष्ण बलराम
Krishna and Balaram, they are Kshatriya.
ये थोड़ी उदाहरण है और ये पर अनेक प्रकार के जो एंटरटेनमेंट की व्यवस्था करते हैं
We will arrange many kind of attainments. Janu Mushtik,
उसकी दंगल
there will
करने के लिए
be fighting.
और इतने सुंदर मथुरापुर के दर्शन कराने के लिए सारी
And
मथुरापुर के सजाया जाए
The Mathura, this state should be decorated so beautifully. Krishna, Kansa start thinking so beautiful this advice.
कंस ने क्या की
So Kansa start thinking
मथुरापुर के इतने सुंदर
the Mathura was decorated so beautifully.
सारी तरफ
Everywhere
तोरण बनाए
there was so beautiful gate.
आज तक भी मथुरा में
Till now, if you will go to Mathura,
तोरण का गेट
there are so beautiful gates, Toran, like Holy Gate and Dig Gate and many other.
दरवाजा माना जाता है
They are called Mathura's gates.
सुंदर गेट बनाए
So beautiful gates for this ceremonies, for this celebration.
सारी तरफ
And all
बड़े
around,
बड़े हमें युद्ध के
big fighters should be there.
एक गेट पार करके दूसरी गेट में जाए तो सब घेर करके मारेंगे
If
वहीं से ये बाहर आ
if
जाए,
Krishna,
फिर
if somebody will go from one gate to another, there will be big fighters. They will not allow to go the person from one gate to another.
कृष्ण बलराम जब आएंगे
Krishna Balaram, when they will enter, they will be crushed by under the head of under the foot of elephants and the Chanu Mushtik.
ये सब जो बड़े बड़े
These are the big fighters.
दंगल करने
They will fight in the wrestling.
सब हम लोग ऐसे प्लान करें
We will do this planning.
कंस बहुत प्रसन्न
Kans was so happy.
फिर तो देखो
But see,
वृंदावन जाएंगे
who will go to Vrindavan?
फूल लेकर के आए
Who will bring Krishna and Balaram?
इसी प्रकार से कृष्ण बलराम जी की सूचना मिल गई
If Krishna and Balaram will get this message that Kansa,
उन लोग के मारने के लिए
he is planning, Kansa is doing this planning to kill Krishna and Balaram. All the politicians, all the big politicians were also sitting with the Kansa,
सब उनकी सलाह देंगे
and they were giving advices, suggestion to the Kansa that in some way
ये हमारे सबको न जाए
that they should don't know this reason that we are doing this fire sacrifice to kill the Krishna and Balaram. They didn't get the smell of our this planning. So we should keep this very secret, because if Krishna and Balaram
ये सूचना मिल जाए
will get this information that Krishna and Balaram, it's not possible that they will come to Mathura.
नंद यशोदा
And Nanda Yashoda and Brajavasis, they will never allow the Krishna and Balaram to come in Mathura. So that's why all the friends,
बड़े बड़े कूटनीतिज्ञ जो
all these politicians, all this,
सलाह देने लगे
all the consultants were giving him suggestion that we have a Akrur.
ये तो मथुरा में रहते हैं
He is staying in Mathura, but his body, heart, his everything is in Vrindavan.
अक्रूर प्रिय भक्त
Akrur, he is dearest to the Lord.
और अक्रूर
And Akrur,
चाचा भी लगते हैं
he is uncle of
इसलिए काम
Krishna.
किया जाए
So that's why
अक्रूर को भेजा जाए
you should send Akrur to the Vrindavan. And Akrur,
बहुत सुंदर
he is
बात
so,
करने में भी चतुर भी
he is good in speaking.
सुंदर मीठी मीठी वचनों के
He
द्वारा
will speak with sweet,
कृष्ण बलराम को जरूर वृंदावन से
he will with his sweet words, he will bring Krishna and Balaram from Vrindavan to Mathura.
जगत उत्सव में
and he will, and then they will participate in this fire sacrifice. There is nearby Rangeshwar Mahadev,
कृष्ण बलराम
where Krishna and Balaram,
कंस के साथ मारा था वो
where they killed two Kansa.
सुंदर था
That is so beautiful place. Chanur Mushtik,
आदि के स्थान से
that is the place of Chanur and Mushtik.
इसे देखो
So that's why they requested Akrur that you should go to Vrindavan, and in any way you should bring the Krishna and Balaram in Mathura. Akrur, he is the devotee of Lord. He is lovable to Lord. He is dearest to the Lord. Akrur, he knows
ये देखो
that Kans, his pot of sin is now full, is mature.
ये मरने वाला है
He is now at the time have come that that time has come that he will be killed.
वो पाप
So in the scripture it is mentioned the pot of sin when mature, then
ठीक
it,
उसी प्रकार पापी लोग पाप
so
करते
when the sinners are doing sins,
जब उसके पाप
when the pot of sin become mature,
अपने आप ही
then it
मर जाता
automatically that person dies.
मारने की जरूरत नहीं होती
Nobody needs to kill that person.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In that same way, Akrur, he was thinking in his mind that this cruel, that bad Kansa,
इसकी मृत्यु के समय
now his time of death is close. So Krishna is known as Kala Swarup. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord is saying that I am form of Kal.
मैं काल रूप में ही
I am in the form of Kal. I am coming near to the bad person and I am killing them. Akrur,
मन मन
he was thinking in his mind,
हे प्रभु
Oh Prabhu,
आपकी ही लीला
this is your Leela.
इसलिए अक्रूर
So Akrur,
कंस से विदाई लेकर के
he take permission from the Kans and he take the chariot. He went to the Vrindavan. This is so beautiful context.
हमारे आचार्य
Our scriptures, our commentators of the scriptures have mentioned
मथुरा गमन
that how Akrur came to the Vrindavan, how Akrur came from Mathura to Vrindavan. Akrur,
वृंदावन में पधारी
when he came to Vrindavan
रथ लेकर के
with his chariot,
और नंद महाराज से मिले
and he meet with the Nanda Baba,
और नंद महाराज से ये भी समाचार
and he
किया,
gave the message to the Nanda Baba
ये कंस
that Kansa,
सुंदर एक शिव जी के धनुष चक्र का
that he is doing so beautiful this Dhanush fire sacrifice of
कृष्ण बलराम
Shivji,
जाकर के भाग ले
and Krishna Balaram should participate in
पहले
that.
नंद महाराज
So Nanda Baba initially starts thinking, he's saying that no, they are very small kid, how they will participate in this Dhanush fire sacrifice.
इसी प्रकार नंद महाराज
So Nanda Maharaj,
अक्रूर के अनुमोदन नहीं दिया
he was not giving him permission that Krishna and Balaram,
वृंदावन से मथुरा
they will go from Vrindavan to Mathura.
तब उस समय
But at that time Akrur,
कृष्ण और राम के जो एकांत स्थान में
they
बुलाया
requested Krishna and Balaram to come in one alone place, separate place, and he started giving them stimulation of Veera Ras.
हे बलराम
So Akrur said to Krishna and Balaram,
क्षत्रिय नहीं हूँ,
you are not Kshatriya,
तुम लोग वैश्य ये तुम लोग क्षत्रिय तुम लोग वैश्य नहीं हो,
you are not Vaishya,
तुम लोग क्षत्रिय
you are Kshatriya.
तुम्हारे यथार्थ जो माता पिता देवकी और वसुदेव
In reality your mother father are Devaki and Vasudev. Devaki and Vasudev,
तुम्हारे माता पिता
they are your actual mother and father. You know that how much the Kans, they are giving suffering to both of them. You will not deliver them. What is the responsibility of son? They should protect the mother and father. They should protect them.
और
So,
तथापि कृष्ण बलराम
but Krishna and Balaram,
मेरे तो हम लोग तो माता पिता
no, they start saying, no, our mother father, other mother father and Nanda and Yashoda.
स्वीकार करो नहीं
Krishna was not accepting this thing, that Devaki and Vasudev, their mother and father.
अक्रूर तब देखा कि ऐसा नहीं हुआ।
Akrur start thinking, oh, this is not happening, so I should by this Sam Dam Dand Bhed. There is four.
इसके वशीभूत नहीं हो रहा।
If somebody is, we are not able to find the solution, then you should first you have to speak sweet words. This is the first thing. You should attract that person with the sweet words, and the second, you should give the money to that person. How much money that person need, give that money. If nothing happen, then third is you should give the fear to that person. If you will not do this work, then you will be punished. So Sam Dam Dan. If nothing happening with this, then fourth last one is Bhed, difference. If the person have some love and affection with whom, what you should do, Bhed. Bhed means you should make them separate from that person. So divide and rule. Divide and rule. Divide and rule. So, divide and rule. So they start thinking that Krishna is not understanding, he is not accepting his proposal in any way. So Akrur, what he did, that you should participate in the Dhanush Yagya. That Kans have arranged this so beautiful, this Kans, this Yagya. There will be so big fighters, the wrestlers. You will see, you will experience so beautiful. Krishna and Balaram, they got this feeling. Oh, let's go. We should also go. When Krishna and Balaram, they went in the lap of Nanda Baba. Oh, father, we want to go Mathura. Nanda Maharaj said, no, 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 no. You should not go. You should not go Mathura. But see, Krishna and Balaram. Krishna was again and again sitting in the lap of Nanda Baba, and he's saying, we want to go. We will see there. We will play there. That's how the Dhanush Yagya is. We also want to fight. We also want to fight with the Chanun Mushtik. So Nand Baba starts saying, you are small kid, how you will fight with the Chanun Mushtik? So Yash Krishna said, no father, we want to go. Nanda Maharaj, he announced, tomorrow morning, Akrur, in Akrur chariot, Krishna and Balaram from Vrindavan, they will go towards Mathura. Just listening this, all the Brajvasis, they start crying. Especially Braj Gopis, they start crying so much. In this way, Braj Gopis, they start crying. They were doing so many prayers to the Brahmaji. All these things are mentioned. Sukdev Goswami Pad, he is telling to the Parikshit Maharaj. This is called Bhavi Vira, Bhavan Vira, Bhave Vira. All this divine moods, Sukdev Goswami Pad, he explained to, he told to Parikshit Maharaj. Please. In the morning time, Krishna and Balaram, they sit on the chariot of Akrur and they were moving towards Mathura. At that time, gopis, their heart, Krishna, they were feeling separation for the Krishna. All the gopis,
अक्रूर के रथ के चारों तरफ
they surround themselves to the chariot of Akrur, that we will not allow Krishna and Balaram to go outside the Vrindavan, but Akrur, you are cruel. Akrur means you are cruel.
एक होता है क्रूर,
One is cruel, one is Akrur and one is Krur.
क्रूर ब्रज गोपियों
क्रूअल।
की जो प्राणधन,
Cruel.
देखो अक्रूर ने रथ को ऐसे
Akrur,
टेढ़े मेढ़े करके
he
चलाया
was moving his
और
chariot in one or another way,
देखते देखते ब्रज गोपियों की
and
आंखों
Braj
से
Gopis
उजल गए।
and Krishna was disappeared from the sight of Braj Gopis, and Krishna and Akrur, he was bringing the Krishna and Balaram in the Mathura. And
यहाँ सुंदर श्रम ऐसे सुंदर जो भाव श्री सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
Sukdev Goswami Pad,
परीक्षित महाराज के निकट में
he
बना।
told to Parikshit Maharaj.
और सुंदर इस कथाएं समय कम होने के नाते,
Time is
संक्षेप
short.
होने के नाते अक्रूर वृंदावन से मथुरा
Akrur,
कैसे गमन किया,
how he came from
ये सब कथा
Vrindavan
जो
to
बहुत सुंदर।
Mathura. This katha is so
वास्तव रूप
beautiful.
में अक्रूर मथुरा और वृंदावन की जो सीमाना जो है, और वहीं पर जब उसके रथ पहुंचे तो
When Akrur chariot came to
वृंदावन
the
के कृष्ण
Mathura, and at
वहीं
that
से
time
अंतर्धान
Vrindavan Krishna, he disappeared from
और
Vrindavan.
वृंदावन की सीमाना पार
And
करके
when the
मथुरा की
border of
सीमाना
Vrindavan
में
was
जाने के साथ ही
crossed,
साथ
and at that time,
वास्तव रूप में
in reality,
मथुराधीश कृष्ण
Mathuradesh
अक्रूर
Krishna,
के रथ में
he seated on the chariot of
और
Akrur,
मथुरा में प्रवेश किया।
and he came to Mathura.
इसमें से अनेक जो सुंदर
This is so,
गुड़ सिद्धांत हमारे
this is
आचार्य
so
पाद ने
hidden secret
वर्णन किया।
explained by our
इसके
commentators.
पश्चात
Afterwards,
कृष्ण
Krishna,
मथुरा में प्रवेश किया और
he
कृष्ण बलराम
came to the Mathura,
वहीं पर मथुरा का दर्शन किया।
and he took the darshan of Mathura,
कुबलाई हस्ती के उन्होंने भी वध किया।
and he killed the Kublai.
बहुत ही सुंदर विवरण।
So beautiful this description.
देखते देखते कृष्ण बलराम वो हाथी की जो है
Krishna and Balaram,
दांतों कैसे उखाड़ लिया,
they,
चल पड़े।
they take out the
किसने कहा?
teeth of elephant.
जी हाथी को दांत क्या करोगे?
What you will do with the teeth of elephant?
कृष्ण बलराम ने बहुत
So
सुंदर
Krishna and
उत्तर दिया।
Balaram, they gave so
ये देखो,
beautiful answer
मेरे मामा
that my
कंस है ना,
uncle Kansa,
है? मेरे मामा लगते हैं।
he is my
और
mama,
मामा के पास
uncle.
जाएंगे खाली
When we
हाथ
will
में
go
थोड़ी
to the
जाएंगे।
uncle, we will not go empty
राजा के
hands.
पास जाएंगे,
If we will go to the king,
भेंट भी देना पड़ेगा ना।
we should give some gift.
तो कौन सा भेंट देंगे?
What gift we will give? We will give this teeth of
इसकी
elephant.
बड़ाई हस्ती के कंस ने पहले से मदिरा पान करा दिया था।
So
किंतु कृष्ण बलराम
Kans what he did,
वो
he
हाथी को दांत कैसे
the
उखाड़
elephant was he already drunk alcohol, so
बोले मेरे मामा की ये सबसे
and
मूल्यवान
that elephant become mad and he was trying to kill Kansa. So Krishna said that
आगे चले।
I will give this so beautiful gift to our
वहीं पर जो
Uncle
मामला
कंस।
युद्ध है, कृष्ण ने उनके साथ भी
Krishna.
लड़ रहे।
He was fighting
और देखते देखते
With the-
कब कृष्ण और बलराम और दोनों की पछाड़ दिया और पछाड़ करके बस
Krishna
और ऊपर चढ़ गए जहाँ पर कंस
and Krishna he fight with Chandramushrik and he defeated them and he went on the place where Kansa was sitting
रंगालय कहा जाता है।
and that is Rangale of
और
Kansa,
कृष्ण बलराम
and Krishna and Balaram
ऊपर चढ़ करके बाल
they went on the top of that place and they
बाल को ऐसे हाथ में पकड़ लिया
and they took the hair of the Kansa,
उनकी छाती पर
and
ऐसे
they
मुक्का मारा,
and they
कंस की
punched
प्राण
punch on the chest of the Kansa, and the life air of Kansa went away. And Kans don't understand what happened.
कृष्ण बलराम
And Krishna and Balaram,
और कंस की बाल को पकड़ करके
And
घिसक घिसक करके लेके
they
जाते
were
हैं। देखते
dragged
देखते
the
ही
hair
कंस
of Krishna, of Kansa, but they were dragging the hair of Kansa, and they killed the Kansa. These commentators of our scriptures mention so beautiful that how Krishna and Balaram killed the Kansa.
वहीं पर प्रवेश करने एरिना में जब प्रवेश करने लगे,
When they
वहीं पर जितने
entered,
लोग की बैठे हुए थे सब
all
कृष्ण के अलग अलग रूप में दर्शन करने
all the person
जो
who was
जैसे
in the
रस के भक्त
Mathura,
हैं,
how what mood they
वो
have
उसी
in their
प्रकार
heart,
उनके
they were
कृष्ण के
looking to the
देखने
Krishna
लगे।
in that same mood.
मल्लानाम वसनं
मल-
नीनम नरोवरा। योद्धा लोग बड़े बड़े कुश्ती
The
दंगल
big
करने वाले देखा कि
fighters,
कृष्ण
they
एक
were
साक्षात
thinking Krishna as
वज्र के भांति
that Krishna is so
अजय
strong,
खंडो,
like a thunderbolt.
हैं, चाणूर
Chanur Mushtik,
जो मल्ल युद्ध कर रहा है।
they were doing this
ये तो
wrestling.
देख रही बहुत
They start thinking that Krishna and Balaram, they are not ordinary
इनके
child.
शरीर मानो
Their body is like thunderbolt.
मल्लानाम वसनं नीनाम नरोवरा। जितने बड़े बड़े कंस की सभा में
All in the Kans
राजा लोग
Sabha,
बैठे
all
हुए
the
थे।
kings were presented there. When they saw the Krishna, they looked at Krishna that this is
राजा
some big king, Samrat.
जो दास्य रस के
The
भक्त
Dasiras, they start
प्रभु मान
thinking
करके स्तुति करते।
they were doing stuti as a
कोई सख्त
Prabhu.
रस के जो भक्त
The Sakyaras,
कृष्ण के सखा मान
they were
करके
looking at Krishna
उनके
and
साथ कितने प्रेम प्रतिकार
they were doing love and affection towards Krishna in the Sakya Bhav. And where there was Vatsalya, parental
ऐसे
mood,
सोचने लगे
they were
कि
start
सामने
looking Krishna and they
इसका
start
प्राण
thinking that this is small kid.
स्तनपान करने, स्तनपान
We should,
करने।
I want to feed him my breast, feed him my breast.
और मधुर रस की जो गोपियां
And
जो यहाँ पर विराजमान थी,
The other gopis who in Madhura Ras, they want
कामदेव के
to,
रूप में।
they were looking Krishna in the
इसमें
Kamadev.
हमारे आचार्य पास
So our commentators of scriptures are saying that in the Srimad Bhagavata, in one verse, it is mentioned
ये कृष्ण
that Krishna,
जब कंस के
when
रंगालाई में
he
प्रवेश
went,
किया,
he entered the 12 प्रकार of Kansa. There were 12 types of
और सब लोग
rasas,
अलग अलग रूप में
and everyone,
कृष्ण के दर्शन करते।
they were looking Krishna in their different moods.
भगवान एक होते हुए
Lord is one,
भक्त की माधुर्य
but
रस, प्रेम रस आस्वादन करने के
devotees,
लिए
they are relishing different moods. So Krishna is manifesting his form in different
वो
forms.
उसी प्रकार
How the devotees
भगवान
are,
के दर्शन करते हैं।
what moods devotees have, Krishna appearing in their front in the same mood.
इस प्रकार
In this way,
स्वयं भगवान
Lord Krishna himself
मथुरा में
in the
कंस के
Mathura,
वध किया।
he killed the
कंस के वध के
Kansa.
उपरांत
After killing the Kansa,
स्वयं कृष्ण
Krishna himself,
पहले गए
first he went to the prison house
जहाँ पर उग्रसेन
where
ये बंदी
Ugrasen,
बनाया था।
he was
कंस ने अपने पिता
Kansa, his
उग्रसेन के बंदी बना
Kans, what he
करके
did
कारागार में
is with his father Ugrasen,
रख दिया।
he was keeping his father in the prison house.
उग्रसेन को
Krishna and
कारागार से
Balaram,
मुक्त कराया। और मुक्त
they
करा
make
करके
free the Ugrasen
उस
from
सिंहासन में
the
बैठाया।
prison house, and he gave the
कृष्ण
seat
बलराम नहीं
in
बैठे।
the
कृष्ण
king
मथुरा
place.
की
He did
राजा
King
नहीं
Krishna and
बने।
Balaram. He didn't become the king
इसके
of the
पश्चात
Mathura,
कृष्ण
but he gave the place to Ugrasen.
देवकी
And
और
afterwards,
वसुदेव
Krishna,
के
they
स्थान पर
they
गए।
went to the
इस
place
संत
of
कारागार
Devaki and
में
Vasudev in their
देवकी
prison
और
house,
वसुदेव
where
बंधी हुई थी।
they were bounded there.
कृष्ण बलराम
And Krishna and Balaram, they went at that place,
और
and
देवकी और वसुदेव के जो है,
Devaki and
कारागार से
Vasudev,
मुक्त कर
they make them free from the prison
कृष्ण
house.
बलराम
Krishna and
देवकी और
Balaram,
वसुदेव के चरण स्पर्श करने के
they
लिए
touched
जब
they were
हाथ
trying to touch the
देवकी
feet,
वसुदेव मना
touch the feet of Devaki and
क्यों
Vasudev,
देवकी
but Devaki
वसुदेव
and
कहते
Vasudev
थे
said no,
कृष्ण
no, no, because they know that
साधारण
Devaki and
मानव
Vasudev,
मनुष्य
Devaki and
नहीं।
Vasudev knows that Krishna and Balaram, they are not ordinary person, they are Lord himself.
कल परसों मैंने कहा
day before
कृष्ण की
yesterday I
जन्म
spoke
महोत्सव
that
पर
about the
कंस के कारागार में
Krishna's appearance day,
अर्थात देवकी और वसुदेव
when
के
in the
निकट
prison house of
कृष्ण शंख चक्र
Kansa,
गदा पद्म लेकर के
when Lord
प्रकट
Vishnu he appeared with the
इसलिए
Shankh Chakra
देवकी और
Gada.
वसुदेव
So
की लीला
Devaki
में
and
यही विश्वास
Vasudev,
है।
they have this faith.
प्रतीति है
They knows
ये
this.
कृष्ण
They have
और
this
बलराम
feeling that Krishna and
साधारण
Balaram,
मानव
they are not
नहीं,
ordinary human
ये
beings.
साक्षात विष्णु
They are
भगवान।
Lord Himself.
इसलिए देवकी और
So that's why
वसुदेव
Devaki and Vasudev,
कंस के कृष्ण की
they
मना कर दिया
they doesn't
या
allow
उनके चरण
Krishna
स्पर्श मत करो।
to touch their feet.
वृंदावन लीला
This is
और मथुरा
Vrindavan
लीला
Leela and Mathura Leela.
यही विशेष वैशिष्ट हमारे
There
आचार्य
is
पाद।
a speciality.
देखो
Our
नंद
Acharya
यशोदा
Pad are telling. Nanda and Yashoda,
कृष्ण के क्या करते हैं
what they are
आशीर्वाद
doing, they are giving blessings to Krishna and Balaram.
वृंदावन में
In Vrindavan,
गोकुल में
in Gokul,
नित्य प्रत्यह
every day,
कृष्ण
Krishna and Balaram,
आकर के
they are
नंद
coming,
यशोदा के प्रणाम करते
they
हैं
are doing pranam to Nanda and Yashoda. And Nanda and Yashoda,
अपनी चरण धूल
they are
कृष्ण और बलराम
giving
के सिर पर देते हैं।
they are giving
आशीर्वाद
this
देते हैं।
dust of the foot
जिस
to
प्रकार की संसार
on the
में
head of the Krishna and
माता
Balaram,
पिता
like
के
in
चरण
this
स्पर्श करने
ordinary,
पर
this
माता
material
पिता
world,
अपने
like
बालक को क्या करते हैं?
parents, what they are
आशीर्वाद
doing when children are touching the feet of the parents, they are giving the
हमारे
blessings. So
सिर
in the
झुकाए
same way,
तो अपने
Nanda
आप
and Yashoda, they are giving blessings to Krishna and Balaram.
आशीर्वाद
When we
पाने
are bowing down in front of the saint or to anyone, they are automatically giving you
ठीक उसी
blessings.
प्रकार
In the
वृंदावन
same
में
way, in
कृष्ण और
Vrindavan,
बलराम
Krishna and Balaram,
जब जब नंद
whenever
यशोदा के चरण स्पर्श
they are
करते हैं,
touching the feet of Nanda and Yashoda,
नंद यशोदा कृष्ण
Nanda and
बलराम को
Yashoda,
आशीर्वाद
they are
देते
giving blessings to the Krishna and Balaram.
हैं। अपने नंद महाराज कहते थे
And then Nanda Baba was saying,
कन्हैया
"Oh Kanaiya,
मेरे लिए जूती के लिए आओ।
please bring my shoes."
देखो
See,
ब्रह्मा आदि बड़े बड़े देवता
Brahma and many other demigods who are worshipping the foot, lotus feet of Krishna, and that same Krishna, what he is
नंद
doing,
महाराज की
he is
चरण
bringing the
जूती के क्या- जूती के
shoes,
क्या
bringing
करते
the
हैं?
shoes
अपने
of
सिर पर लेकर के
Nanda
चलते
Baba.
हैं।
How? He is putting the shoes on his head and then he
कितना
is bringing.
सुंदर है।
So
इसी की कहा
beautiful.
जाता है माधुर्य लीला।
This is called Madhurya Leela.
वृंदावन लीला किसी की कहा जाता है?
Vrindavan is
माधुर्य
Madhurya Leela.
लोकवत्तु लीला कई गलन अनंत करोड़ विश्व की और ऐश्वर्य
The
रहने
owner
वाली
of
लीला।
this universe.
और माधुर्य के द्वारा वो
But how
ढके रहते हैं।
it is covered
लोक
with the
संबंधवत प्रति सुख।
Madhurya. This is called Lokavat
इसलिए
Leela.
वृंदावन लीला कितनी मधुर
So
है।
Vrindavan Leela is so sweet
वृंदावन की कोई
Leela.
एक वृंदावनवासी
Vrindavan Brajavasis,
कोई नहीं कहेंगे कृष्ण भगवान
they will not, even a single person will say
अरे
that
कृष्ण
Krishna
भगवान
is
की
Bhagavan.
नहीं ब्रजवासी लोग
Nobody,
नहीं कहेंगे,
Brajavasis will
कृष्ण
never
भगवान।
say, they will never say that Krishna is Lord. They
तो
will
गाली
never
देंगे।
give jay to Krishna. They will abuse that no, Krishna is
कृष्ण
not
की भी
Lord.
गाली देते हैं।
They are abusing
सारी
Krishna.
गाली देते हैं।
He is Sari. They are abusing,
और कृष्ण उसमें बहुत प्रसन्न
and
है।
Krishna becomes so happy listening
सखाओं
these
के कान
sweet
पर चढ़
words.
जाते हैं।
He is
और सखाओं भी
is
उनके
going
कान
on the
पर चढ़
shoulders of the
वृंदावन
he is going on the shoulders of the boyfriends.
ब्रजवास के उच्छिष्ट ग्रहण करते
He
हैं।
is accepting the remnants of the
Which is the
Brajavasis.
remnants.
Krishna, he is accepting the remnants of the boyfriends.
ब्रज की यही विशेषता है।
So this is the speciality of Braj.
वृंदावन और मथुरा और द्वारका में
Vrinda and
यही
Mathura and
अंतर
Dwarka,
है।
there is a difference.
मथुरा अथवा द्वारिका में
Mathura and
कोई भी रहने
Dwarka,
वाले सब हाथ जोड़े।
They are with their folded hands. They are praying. They are pranam to the Krishna many times, 10 times.
यहाँ तो ये ब्रह्मा जी करे,
And Brahma ji also saying
भजान 10 बार प्रणाम करें।
he is offering his pranam 10 times.
किंतु वृंदावन के
But
रहने वाले
Vrindavan, the people who are staying in Vrindavan,
एक भी ब्रजवासी कृष्ण की
even a single Brajvasi, they will not offer pranam.
कौन सा बड़ा बड़ा है?
That how you become bigger than us, boyfriends.
तुम्ही कौन बड़ा लोग आमी तुम्ही सब सखा लोग
Boyfriends,
सुदाम सुबल सुदाम
Subal, Madhumangal, they are going on the shoulder of Krishna, and they are using this abusive word, sari.
दस्तंगतानं परदेवतेन माया स्थितानं नरदारकेन साधं ब्रजहु कृतपुण्य पुण्या। भागवत में सुखदेव गोस्वामी बात
In Bhagavatam,
Oh,
Sukdev Goswami
Brajavasis.
Pad is saying, "Oh,
वृंदावन के रहने
Brajvasis
वाली
who are staying in Vrindavan,
कितने मधुर
so beautiful, though sweet they are."
सखा लोग
all the
कृष्ण के कान पर
boyfriends,
चढ़ता है,
they are going on the shoulders of the
अपने
Krishna.
पैर की धूल दे देते हैं,
They are giving their dust on the
आगे
head of
सारे
the
गाली
Krishna,
देते हैं,
and then I'm using
कृष्ण
the
के
Subhudva Salya.
पीठ पर बैठ जाते हैं,
They are sitting on the back of the Krishna.
चल जाता है। मथुरा द्वारकापुरी
Mathura
कोई
Dwarkapuri,
ऐसे नहीं करे,
nobody is doing like this.
उनके वो सब जानते हैं कृष्ण
They know that
भगवान,
Krishna is Lord, Krishna is
Bhagavad Gita,
Bhagavan. They have this mode of opulence.
गोपियां तो और माजी ने कैसे गाली भी दे देते,
Gopis, how much they are using abusive words. Chor, you are dacoit, you are thief, you are cheater.
भगवान को ही गाली देने वाले हैं।
Is there anyone who is abusing the Lord? No, nobody can do.
मथुरा
In
वृंदावन
Mathura, Vrindavan, Mathura and Dwarka,
द्वारकापुरी के रहने वाले कोई
Dwarkapuri,
व्यक्ति
they will,
भगवान की गाली नहीं दे
they cannot use abusive words to Lord. That's why this is said
Opulence में,
opulence mode.
ऐश्वर्य में। और
Aishwarya.
वृंदावन की कहा जाता है
And Vrindavan,
माधुर्य भाव,
Madhurya
sweetness,
Bhav, sweetness mode.
मधुर भाव लोकी सद्बुद्धि अहो भाग्यो मोहो भाग्यो नंद गोकुल भुजु कुशाम जन्मित्रम परमानंदम पूर्ण ब्रह्म सनातन। ब्रह्मा जी स्तुति करते
Brahma
करते
ji
हैं,
is doing
इतने स्तुति करने
stutis.
लगे,
He is doing many
तथापि भगवान
stutis.
प्रसन्न नहीं,
But still Lord was
केवल
not
इसी
pleased.
एक ही श्लोक जब आ गई,
But when verse was
"ओ
there,
भाग्यो मोहो भाग्यो नंद गोकुल भुजु कुशाम जन्मित्रम परमानंदम पूर्ण ब्रह्म सनातन। भगवान प्रसन्न,
Lord become pleased after listening this verse. When somebody just
स्मरण करे, भगवान प्रसन्न।
remind Krishna by this just one
वृंदावन
word,
हरि लाल की जय 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 श्री राधे। एक कीर्तन गा दूं महाराज जी।
अभी 2 मिनट प्रसन्न खत्म हो गया। देखो
see
कृष्ण
Krishna
इसी प्रकार
in this way.
वृंदावन में जो मधुर लीला आदि की,
He is doing so
और
sweet
इसी
pastimes
ये
afterwards.
मथुरा की लीला है।
And there is Leela of
Krishna.
pastimes of Mathura. Krishna
उस समय देवकी और वसुदेव
at that time,
विचार करने लगे,
Devaki and Vasudev start thinking
मथुरा वृंदावन बहुत दूरी नहीं,
Mathura and Vrindavan are not far. They are near, very
ये
close.
कृष्ण कहीं मथुरा से वृंदावन न चले जाए,
Krishna can go from Mathura to Vrindavan. So Devaki and
अति
Vasudev.
सत्तर जल्दी जल्दी ही
So
कृष्ण और बलराम के जो है मथुरा से बहुत दूर उज्जैनी
they wants the desire that
शांतिपुरी के
Krishna
आश्रम में
they wants that Krishna they send the Krishna to Sandipuni Muni Rishi school
कृष्ण और बलराम
because they have this they have this fear that Krishna can go back to Vrindavan. So that's why they send Krishna to Sandipuni Muni's ashram. That is so beautiful place.
कृष्ण बलराम
Krishna and
वहीं
Balaram.
पर 64 दिन में
For in 64 days, Krishna got the 64 hours. Krishna is Lord. But for this Lokavati Leela, Krishna and Balaram,
उस स्थान पर
they went they were staying at this place and they did so many pastime and they were staying in the house of Guru, and especially at that place they did friendship with Sudama. We will listen about Sudama Vipra. We will listen about Sudama Vipra. This is so beautiful, so sweet Leela, sweet pastime.
और विशेष करके
And especially
गुरु माता के आदेश से गुरु माता उनके दक्षिणा भी दिया,
they gave the Dakshina.
गुरु दक्षिणा दे करके
He gave the
फिर
Dakshina
कृष्ण बलराम
to the Guru and then
मथुरा में
they came back to, then again they came back to Mathura and then
तो ब्रज की चिंतन आदि होने
they
लगे।
start thinking about Braja.
दीवार कर कृष्ण बलराम
And day and night Krishna, he start thinking about Braja, he start crying.
वर्णन करते हैं
Sukdev Goswami Pad is explaining that Krishna himself, he
ब्रज में भेजा।
sent Uddhav to the Vrindavan.
मद विरोनामोपि गोपिनाम मत संदेशवी विमोचन। कृष्ण से बहुत सुंदर
All these beautiful
विरह की कथा
separation pastimes Sukdev Goswami Pad told to Parikshit
कथा भी
Maharaj.
रह गया। ये कृष्ण
Krishna
बलराम
Krishna and Balaram,
जब कंस के वध किया,
when they killed
और
the
उस समय
Kans
कंस के
at that time,
मृत्यु होने के पश्चात
after
कंस
Kansa
के दो
died,
पत्नियां थी।
he have
एक
two
है
wives. Because
उस्ती
Kansa have two
और
wives.
एक
Asti, one is Asti and second is Prapti.
एक वो उस्ती और प्राप्ति
Asti and
दोनों
Prapti,
विधवा होकर के
they become widow
पिता
and
जरासंध के पास
they
जाकर
went
के
to Father
अनेक
Jarasandha.
उल्टी सीधी
They
कथा
were
आदि,
speaking bad about Krishna.
जिससे जरासंध क्रोधित होकर के
So at that time, Jarasandha became so angry
आक्रमण
and he
करने
attacked Mathura.
लगा। पहले 17 बार
He 17 times he attacked
और
Mathura.
कृष्ण बलराम देखते देखते
And Krishna Balaram,
जरासंध के कितने हजार
he killed thousands of soldiers of Jarasandha.
और
And
18 बार जब
18th time
आक्रमण किया,
when
उस
Jarasandha
समय
attacked Mathura, then at that
सारे
time Krishna and
मथुरावासी को
Balaram,
लेकर के
he took all the Mathuravasis and he then came to Dwarka. This is also very beautiful pastime. Now will be Kirtan and afterwards
हम
we will
आगे प्रवेश करेंगे द्वारका
will
लीला में।
enter into the Dwarka Lila.
ये सारी आज कथा को जाएगी यहाँ पर बहुत संक्षिप्त में बताना है
I have to tell everything in
कि
brief,
कृष्ण
that how Krishna
द्वारिका में
how
आकर
he
के
came into the
सुंदर एक
Dwarka
ऐसे दिव्य महल भी बनाया
and he makes so beautiful palace there. We will explain about
जिसके
this
नाम ही
also.
पड़ गया
And the name become Dwarka.
द्वार
Dwarka. Where is the
इसके
gate?
नाम ही पड़ गया क्या
So name become
द्वारका
Dwarka.
पर वृंदावन बिहारी लाल
की जय 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 श्री राधे श्याम। ऐसो चटक मटक सो ठाकुर तीनों लोक में हमारे ब्रज वृंदावन का कीर्तन है, बहुत सुंदर।
I told you because you know this stand was.
ऐसो चटक मटक को ठाकुर तीनों लोक नहु में नाय। ऐसो चटक मटक को ठाकुर तीनों नहु में नाय। तीनों लोक नहु में नाय। तीनों लोक नहु में नाय। ऐसो चटक मटक को ठाकुर तीनों लोक नहु में नाय। ऐसो चटक मटक को ठाकुर तीनों लोक नहु में नाय। तीनों लोक नहु में नाय। ऐसो चटक मटक को ठाकुर तीनों लोक नहु में नाय। ऐसो चटक मटक को ठाकुर
रह करके
He is staying in Mathura.
क्यों रोते थे
Why he was
किसके लिए
crying?
रोते थे?
He was crying for whom?
मथुरा में सभी लोग उसकी मथुराधीश कहते हैं।
Everybody is saying to
द्वारका में-
Krishna,
द्वारकापुरी में सभी
Mathuradish.
लोग उनको
In Dwarka, Krishna is known as Dwarkadish.
जय जयकार देते हैं मथुराधीश
Everybody
भगवान
is
की
giving him
जय।
Jai.
द्वारकाधीश भगवान की जय। जय
Dwarkadish.
जयकार देते हैं।
Everybody is giving him
फिर
Jai.
कैसे मथुराधीश कृष्ण
Everybody is glorifying him.
द्वारकाधीश
But
कृष्ण
Dwarkadish Krishna, Mathuradish
मथुरा
Krishna,
में जाकर के
he is staying in Mathura and Dwarka.
रोते क्यों?
But why he is crying?
इसकी भी कथा हमारे आचार्य
This
के
Katha,
पास
our
सुंदर
commentator
रूप
of
में वर्णन
scripture
किया।
have explained
भागवत में
beautifully in the
वर्णन है।
Srimad Bhagavatam also.
स्वयं कृष्ण
Krishna himself,
उग्रसेन के तो राजा कराया
he
मथुरा
make
के
a
राजा
king,
बनाया।
king to
किंतु
the
उग्रसेन
Ugrasen as the king of
वृद्ध होने
Mathura.
के नाते
But Ugrasen was old.
राजकाज सभी जो
He
है,
was not.
इस स्वयं कृष्ण और बलराम
He was not able to take care of all the king's
Krishna
responsibilities.
स्वयं
So
सब
Krishna
कुछ
and Balaram was doing all these
मथुरा
things,
के
and he
राजा
was
मात्र केवल
taking care of the Mathura.
उग्रसेन है।
He was just by name he was king
किंतु वास्तव
Ugrasen,
रूप
but
में
in reality
राजकार्य आदि
all the king's responsibilities, all the tasks, all the
कुछ भी
works,
करना है।
everything
ये कृष्ण पर-
Krishna he was doing.
मथुरा में रह करके कृष्ण
In Mathura when
वृंदावन
he
की
was
स्मरण
staying,
करते
in
रहते
Mathura when Krishna was staying, he was always thinking about Braja.
हैं। कभी रोते हैं।
He was crying sometimes.
एक दिन कृष्ण
One day what happened?
मथुरा की सुंदर विशाल प्रसाद, राजप्रसाद, अट्टालिका, छत पर कृष्ण
Krishna was
विराजमान
on the
थे।
roof of the Mathura,
और सबसे
on the palace,
Krishna
on the
अकस्मात
palace. He was on the roof and he
देखा
was looking at
और
the
देखते
Braj,
ही
Vrindavan,
वृंदावन की लीला
And when-
कथा उनके इस मन में
and
स्फूर्ति होने लगी।
he got this. He was
इस
thinking
प्रकार
about.
यमुना
He remembered all the
कल-
pastimes
कल-
of
कल-
Braj,
कल- करते हुए
like how Yamuna
प्रवाहित हो रही है।
Yamuna is
मानो
flowing
यमुना
there. So this Yamuna,
रोदन कर रही है, रो रही है।
like he is feeling that today Yamuna is crying that where is Krishna? Yamuna is crying that Krishna, he was with the gopis, he was playing with the gopis in the Yamuna. Today that Yamuna,
मानो
like Yamuna,
केवल कल-कल ध्वनि करते
like
हुए
only she is doing this voice and she's just crying, flowing and crying that all the wells,
वृंदावन के पशु पक्षी
all the animals, trees, plants, creepers, all in the separation of Krishna. They are feeling so much separation with Krishna.
कोयल न बोलते, मयूर न नाचते।
Peacock are not dancing.
अभी कुहू शब्द नहीं करते। जब वृंदावन में गोविंद विराजमान थे, गोविंद के व्यंजन
Cuckoo
से
birds
ध्वनि
are
करके
not making any
समय पक्षी
sound.
समुदाय निकट में कैसे आए?
Peacock are not dancing.
वृंदावन
Everybody not doing anything.
जब
They are
कृष्ण
just
वृंदावन में
crying.
विराजमान थे,
When Krishna was in
गोविंद के वंश ध्वनि
the
सुन करके
Vrindavan,
कोयल
when the
Mayuri,
cuckoo bird, peacock,
कंठ फुला
peahen,
करके नृत्य करते थे।
they were with
सुंदर सुंदर
their
किंतु आज
own. But
वृंदावन
today in Vrindavan there is
क्यों
darkness
गोविंद?
because there is no Govinda.
ब्रजवासी जन
Brajavasis,
गोविंद की विरह में
in the separation of Krishna, they are crying.
गाय आदि
The
बछड़े
cows,
आदि
the calves,
आज गोविंद की विरह में
they are in separation. They are all in separation from Krishna. They are crying.
जब कृष्ण वृंदावन में
When Krishna
वंशी वादन
was
करते थे,
playing his flute in
वृंदावन की गाय
Vrindavan,
आदि
the cows and
गोविंद के दर्शन के
cows,
लिए गोविंद
for
की
taking the
बड़ी ध्वनि
darshan of
सुनने के लिए
Govind, for listening
कैसे
the
उत्कंठित होते थे।
flute of Krishna, how
आज
curious were
वृंदावन
they. But now this Vrindavan,
जैसे लग रहे हैं
it looks like cremation place.
सभी ब्रजवासी वृंदावन वासी कृष्ण विरह में तड़प रहे।
शमशान भूमि को
कृष्ण
cremation
यही विचार कर रहे हैं। जब ब्रजवासी जन मेरे लिए
ब्रजवासी-
समस्त सब कुछ त्याग दिया,
Krishna is thinking that Brajvasis, they left everything for me.
स्वयं कृष्ण गोपियों के निकट भी यही
Krishna,
बताया।
he told to the gopis that
समझो ससाधु कृतो विवोधु साधु जामा दुर्जन गृह श्रृंखल संवृष्ट प्रतिजातु साधुना। स्वयं भगवान
Lord himself,
गोपियों की चरण में अपने के नतमस्तक होकर
he is holding his hands in the feet
आज
of
भी
gopis,
ये
and he
दृश्य
is praying
देखने
to
के लिए
that I cannot
सेवा कुंड
pay back your
निधुवन
debts.
आपको जाना
If you
पड़ेगा।
will go, you have to go
अभी
to
तक
see
ये
in
वृंदावन में
Nidhuvan.
निधुवन,
If you want to
निकुंजवन,
see, then you have to go
अभी
Nikunjavan,
तक ये
Nidhuvan.
रास होती है,
Till now, Ras is going on
रात्रि काल
here.
में वो रास होती है।
Till now,
It's
Ras
the
is
Ras
going
of
on. That is called eternal Ras.
Every day midnight,
Every day, midnight,
Krishna perform.
Krishna performs Ras dance with the gopis.
वास्तव में सत्य ही वो
This
एक
is
वृंदावन
reality.
के
Vrindavan
ऐसे
is
अपूर्व
so,
धाम है।
this is transcendental
न भूत न
place.
भविष्यति। कोई कोई विश्वास नहीं करते।
Some people are not
बोले कैसे
have
संभव
faith.
है?
How is this possible?
आज तक भाई वृंदावन में निधुवन
Till now, Nidhuvan,
सेवा कुंज में
Seva Kunja,
रास होती है, महारास।
Ras Maharace is going on in the night time, midnight.
उस समय कोई व्यक्ति रहे
And at that time, if
रास
some
देखने के
place,
लिए
some person is there
दूसरे दिन
to see the Ras, and at the
वो पागल की
next
तरह
day,
निकल
that
जाता
person
है।
become mad, or he left his body. That person
यहाँ तक भी
leave
देखो,
his body.
वो निधुवन और
Nidhuvan,
निकुंज वन में
Nikunjavan, Seva Kunja,
रात्रि काल में बंदर तक भी नहीं
there are not monkeys also not
Pujari.
present there. Pujari,
पूजा करके ठाकुर
He is doing worship, he is arranging all the things, he is keeping there and he is leaving that place. After 9, 8:30 or 9, the doors are closed and he is coming outside. And at the same time, after 10 p.m, when the 10 p.m, there is no even a monkey stays there. Because this is divine pastime of Krishna. We are trying to see with our this material eyes, not possible. This is divine pastimes of Krishna, Prasa Leela. So Vrindavan is a transcendental place.
ओ वृंदावन कैसे सुंदर है।
Oh, Vrindavan is so beautiful place.
पूज्य कोकिल सार से बना कर जहाँ पर हंस सारस कोयल आदि सुंदर ध्वनि आदि करते हैं।
They are making so beautiful
जहाँ पर
sound.
वृक्ष आदि
Where the
पेड़
trees, plants,
ये साधारण नहीं
creepers,
है।
they are not ordinary.
मानो साक्षात मुनि ऋषि
Like
हजारों हजारों साल तक
from thousands
वृंदावन में रह
of
करके
years,
भजन
they are doing their sadhana and bhajan.
अथवा कहते सिद्ध
Or
महात्मा
they are called Siddha Mahatma.
वृंदावन में
In
वृक्ष
Vrindavan,
के रूप धारण करके
they have taken the form
वृंदावन में
of
रहते।
trees and they are staying in
राधा गोविंद
Vrindavan.
की
They
वो
are
अपूर्व लीलाओं के
they are
दर्शन करते हैं, स्मरण
getting the
करते हैं।
darshan and thinking of
ये वृंदावन के
Radha Rani and
स्थान में
Krishna's beautiful pastime. Vrindavan is not ordinary place.
आइए।
Please.
कृष्ण
Krishna,
वृंदावन छोड़ करके मथुरा में
Krishna, he went to
विराजमान।
Krishna, he left
इसलिए
Vrindavan and is
कृष्ण
staying in Mathura.
वो
And
वृंदावन
Krishna,
वासी की स्मरण करके
Krishna
कभी रोते
is
हैं।
thinking about Brajvasis and sometimes
आंखों
he
से
is
आंसू की
crying,
धार बह गई।
tears rolling down
जिस
from his
प्रकार मानो
eyes, like
गंगा अथवा
Ganga
जमुना
and
नदी की
Jamuna,
धार
like
उनकी आंखों से
Ganga and Jamuna are flowing from his eyes.
इतने समय उद्धव जी
At that time, Uddhav,
भगवान के परम मित्र
Lord's
Uddhav
best friend,
आ गए।
he came near to the Lord
उद्धव
Krishna.
जब आगे स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण उद्धव के हाथ पकड़ करके
Krishna,
इतनी कहने
then
लगे,
he hold the hands
"गच्छध्वं
of
विदेशोऽहं
Uddhav and he
प्रतिबन्धि
told to
विवाह,
Uddhav,
मद विरोनां ओपिना मत संदेशकि विमोच्य। हे उद्धव
"Oh Uddhav,
तुम वृंदावन में जाओ,
You please go to
गच्छध्वं
Vrindavan.
विदेशे, तुम ब्रज में जाओ।
please go to
मेरे
Vrindavan."
माता पिता की तुम सांत्वना प्रदान करो
Santavna?
और मेरी ये प्राण प्रियतम गोपियां
You should pacify my mother and father. You should give message. You should give my message to my mother and father. They are in lamenting in
भगवान की
separation.
आदेश प्राप्त करके
When he got the message, when he got the instruction
स्वयं कृष्ण की
from the
सुंदर
Krishna, and then
दिव्य शरण
and
सोने की
he seated on
रथ में बैठ
the
करके
opulence mood.
कृष्ण के प्रति भगवत भक्ति
He have this opulence mood towards
और
Krishna.
वृंदावन
And Vrindavan is
प्रेममय धाम।
Premamai Dham,
मैंने पहले ही कहा
sweetness mood.
वृंदावन
I already
वासी
told that
इस गिरिराज गोवर्धन
21 miles
अपने
Giriraj,
बाएं हाथ
he
में
lifted with his
और छोटी उंगली पर
right hand
धारण किया।
on his small
सभी ब्रजवासी लोगों को
finger.
देखा।
Brajavasis, they saw by their eyes.
कोई असुर के बाद किया देखा नहीं देखा, किंतु सात
Lifted the
दिन
Giriraj
सात रात
on his right hand.
ऐसे विशाल गिरिराज,
Krishna, he protected the Brajavasis from the Indra.
किंतु कई ब्रजवासी
But the Brajavasis,
नहीं कहते हैं कृष्ण।
Brajavasis, they never saying,
इतना
they
ही
never
मन
accept
में
Krishna as
ब्रजवासी
Lord.
एक ही जानते हैं
The Brajavasis, they
ये
always
कृष्ण
thinking that
हमारे
Krishna
परिवार
also
साथ
dance
हजारों
on the
भक्त
hoods of
मित्र
snake Kalia. He danced on the hoods of Kalyana.
फेंक कोई
If there is
सांप के
some
नंबर पे हम सब
fake
करते
snake,
हैं।
somebody just throwing a fake snake near to us, we will just run away from that place. And Krishna, what?
देखते ही
And he killed all these demons.
वृंदावन में कृष्ण की अस्त्र धारण नहीं
Krishna, he never holding any kinds of weapons. In Putana deliverance Leela also we mentioned that 6 days child, how he killed the Putana.
सकटासुर
Shakatasur Trinavat.
द्वारिकाधीश भगवान की जय। देते हैं ना,
They are glorifying to Krishna. They with folded hands, they are offering their pranams to
किंतु
Krishna.
वृंदावन में
But in Vrindavan,
कृष्ण के प्रणाम नहीं।
nobody is doing pranam to Krishna.
मैं कहती हूँ, जब
We
हम
will be able to understand the love when we are separated from our loved
जब
ones.
हम एक साथ में रहते
When
हैं,
we are staying together,
हो सके हम उतने प्रेम के
separated.
महत्व के गुरुत्व हम समझ
When we are
नहीं
staying together, then we don't understand. We are not able to deeply
पाते। किंतु
analyze.
जब प्रिय प्रियतम
Remembering Brajavasis, the
और
resident of
ब्रजवासी को
Brajas,
सांत्वना देने के लिए
and for pacifying to Brajavasis, he sent to the
कृष्ण जानते थे
Uddhav. Krishna knows
ये उद्धव
that
ब्रजवासी
Uddhav,
की सांत्वना दे नहीं
he will be not able to pacify the residents of Braja.
पाते। क्यों?
Why?
उद्धव सारी विद्या को अध्ययन
Advisor of Krishna. Krishna sometimes
सलाह
he is
देते
taking
हैं,
advices,
प्रश्न पूछते हैं।
he is asking questions from the Uddhav. I should do this thing or no?
स्वयं भगवान
So
को दे-
Lord, he is Lord.
कृष्ण प्रभु
Krishna is
और कृष्ण से
taking
द्वैत सखा
suggestions, advices from the Uddhav, and he is best friend, not taking decision in very quick. He is taking decision in a
समय
calm
विचार
and quiet way. He is thinking and then taking
इसलिए कहते हैं, उद्धव
decisions.
बुद्धि
So that's why Uddhav
उद्धव ऐसे
Uddhav mind is so good and
किंतु
he
भगवान
is
जानते हैं
great person.
उद्धव
But Lord knows, Mathura,
प्रेम की बारी में
then
कुछ
I
चर्चा
will be able to discuss him
क्योंकि
about the
प्रेम
love,
ऐसी वस्तु है
because love is this kind
जिसके
of
हृदय
thing
में
that
प्रेम है,
if somebody have
वो प्रेम
love in
समझ
his heart,
सकता है।
then that person is able
प्रेम
to
जाने
understand the
प्रेम
love.
की
Lover is only able to understand the language of lover.
बात। इसलिए स्वयं कृष्ण
So that's why
उद्धव के
Krishna,
इसलिए भी प्रेम आते।
he saw the loving mood, love and affection of Brajavasis from
यहाँ तक भी
trees
पशु
to
पक्षी
Haribol,
उनके प्रेम को भी देखा,
from trees
विशेष
to
करके
plants
नंद
to
जसोदा के प्रेम के देखा।
he saw the love and affection of.
बहुत सुंदर से वर्णन है भ्रमर गीत
This is mentioned in
है। एक भूमि के देख करके राधा जी
Brahma Geet, huh?
कृष्ण के दुख समझ करके कैसे शब्द आदि बोलने लगे।
Krishna, Radharani is speaking with the Uddhav. She is saying to Uddhav,
कितने सुंदर ये भाव।
so beautiful these moods.
एक भ्रमर
One bumblebee,
चरण
he
कमल
was
में
sitting on the,
बैठने के लिए प्रयास कर।
he was trying to
अब
sit
उसके
on the
देख
feet
करके
of
उन्मादिनी
Radharani,
श्रीमती राधिका
and at
कहने
that
लगी,
time Unmadini
मधु
Radharani,
मधु को कित को बंधु कितब बंधु माँ विश्रंगी मेरे चरण की तुम स्पर्श मत
who
करो।
don't touch my feet.
मानो भ्रमर कहने लगे,
So
Yes, Swamini.
Bumblebee is saying that, oh Swamini,
मेरा दोष
oh
क्या है?
Master, what is my fault? What is my mistake?
जो हम नहीं करते।
I have
एक
taken
गंगा जल में
the
भर जाए, वो गंगा जल देव अर्चन में नहीं लगता।
nectar from the flowers. I never take alcohol. I never drink
राधा जी
alcohol.
उसी प्रकार करी,
So Radharani is
तुम तो
saying,
शराब पी करता
you
है।
are moving,
यही तो
shaking.
दिखाई पड़ती है शराब पीने।
So this shows that you have drunk the alcohol.
कहने लगे नहीं नहीं,
So
ये तो हम अपने
Radharani, the
स्वभाव है।
Bumble is saying, no, this is our nature.
भ्रमर जाती है।
We are bumblebee.
हम जब उड़ते हैं
When we are
हमारी
flying,
अपने आप उड़ जाते हैं।
Our is kumkum,
यह
and
भाव
that
कितने सुंदर हैं।
kumkum
Yeah,
is
the-
on your mustache, and you are coming from Mathura. Go away from
देखो
here.
उन्माद दशा में
And Radharani in her
लघुरूपी रघुवीर
Unmad
लघुरूपी लुप्त
Dasha.
धर्मा। अरे तुम्हारे कृष्ण के बारे में मुझे बहुत कुछ पता है।
I know very well how cheater he is.
राम अवतार में
In
देखो,
Ram Avatar, see,
कहते मैं ब्रह्मचारी
he's
हूँ।
saying that I am
और
brahmachari.
कैसे चलते हैं जटायु
And how
हाथ
he
में
is going.
तीर धनुष लेकर के चलते
He is
हैं।
going with bow and arrow.
और अपने पत्नी के लिए भी
With
बंधे
with
हुए
his five, he is going in the forest. They are fighting in face to
और
face.
उन्होंने किया क्या?
But what he did, he killed
पीछे से
Bali from the back. He killed him from the back.
बलि बलि।
He killed the Bali in this way.
कोई बंदर के मांस को थोड़ी खाते हैं। और
Does
देखो,
somebody eat
हमारे मित्र
the skin of
कैसे
the
खाते हैं?
elephant?
देखो,
How?
मृदु गोविंद्र, भ्रमर गीत, गोपी
Brahma Geet,
गीत,
Gopi Geet,
वेणु गीत,
Venu Geet.
ये समस्त सी कथा इतनी सुंदर।
All these kathas are so beautiful.
आगे हम उद्धव 10 महीने तक
Uddham for 10 months he was staying in Vrindavan.
अनंतर वृंदावन को छोड़ करके
understand the
कहते हैं
glories
जिसके
of the
हृदय में एक
love.
बार प्रेम हो जाता
If
है,
somebody have love in his heart, then only he can understand all these
यदि
things.
जो कबू ना हो वियोग हुई कबू ना जिया। एक बार प्रेम जिसमें उत्पन्न हो जाए
If somebody
वो प्रेम कभी
got
नष्ट
this
नहीं।
love,
फिर लक्ष्य
have this love feeling,
एवं व्रत
what is all these evidences are mentioned.
प्रभु के ऐसे सुंदर मधुर नाम लेकर के
Prabhu's
कभी हंसते
Lord's
हैं,
so
कभी
beautiful
रोते
name.
हैं,
Sometimes they are
कभी
crying,
धूल
sometimes
पर,
they are laughing, sometimes they are rolling down in the
कभी
dust.
जोर-जोर चिल्ला
Sometimes they are
करके
shouting so loudly.
रोते हैं।
Sometimes they are shouting loudly and crying. Why?
अभी जरासंध की बार-बार आक्रमण से
After so many attacks of Jarasandh, Krishna and Balaram,
ये सारे मथुरापुरी के लेकर के
they took all the residents of Mathura. They came to Dwaraka
ये चीज मधुर सुंदर
and they came to the Dwaraka. And by the help of Vishwakarma, there was they build a very nice this palace
समुंदर में इसमें सुंदर
nearby sea,
प्रातः काल में
in the mid of the sea.
मथुरावासी जब उठे
And in the morning, the
देखा चारों
Dwaraka
तरफ समुद्र की बड़ी रक्षा करते
is protecting to
उसके
everyone.
प्रवेश स्थान नहीं
Nobody can, no
जहाँ पर
demons can
कहीं भी-
enter that place.
सांप ब्रह्म सांप भी
That
प्रवेश नहीं
Brahma snake cannot
ब्राह्मण
also
के
enter.
साथ अभिशाप भी प्रवेश नहीं कर सकते
Nobody can, no demons
ऐसे
can
तरह का
enter
पूरी-
this.
किसी को अभिशाप ये नारद किसी को अभिशाप
He
दिया।
cursed to the Narad
जब
Rishi
तुम
that you
दो गोदहन काल तक एक स्थान में नहीं रह सकते
can
इसलिए नारद ऋषि
stay
समुद्र
at
भ्रमण
one.
करते करते
You
करते
cannot
जब थक
you can
जाते
stay
थे,
at one place just
यही द्वारिकापुरी
when
में आकर
somebody is
के
milking the
विश्राम
cow.
एक संसार में
In this
एक
material,
पति के साथ रहना कितना
in
कठिन
this
है।
material, what staying with one wife
और
is
भगवान ने क्या
very
किया?
difficult. And what Lord did,
16,000
He married with
108
16,108
महिषियों के साथ
Mahishis.
द्वारिकापुरी में रहना
He was staying in
और उसमें तो
Dwaraka.
महिषी कोई सामान्य
And all
सामान्य नहीं
that
थी।
Mahishi gopis,
द्वारिकापुरी में
they have
महिषी के रूप में ही आए थे।
appeared in the form of
जैसे अभी
Mahishis. Like
हम रुक्मिणी के विवाह आदि रुक्मिणी हरण रुक्मिणी विवाह आदि की कथा
kidnapping of Rukmani, we will listen. The marriage of Rukmani and Krishna, we will listen now.
रुक्मिणी
He did Leela like this.
एक स्वरूप में
They in one form,
द्वारिकापुरी में
all these gopis came in the Dwaraka.
और इसलिए कहा जाता है इसके
that's
साथ
why
सुत गोस्वामी पाद
Sutta Goswami
उसके
Pad,
निकट कहने लगे,
he told to
हे ऋषि लोग,
Sanakati Rishi, oh
सुनो,
Rishi, please listen. Moods
बड़ी बड़ी लहरियों की भांति चल
like the waves of
भाव,
seas,
हेला,
it's going on.
विचित्र,
How Bhav Hela,
विको,
Viko,
इसमें सब
all these
20 प्रकार की
20 types of
इसमें सब भाव।
moods are
इतनी
there.
साधारण नहीं
It's not ordinary.
वृंदावन का पूर्णता रूप में
Vrindavan.
है ये कथाएं
Please come to the Katha.
कृष्ण द्वारिकापुरी में
Krishna in Dwarakapuri,
जब विराजमान
when he was staying in Dwarakapuri,
कृष्ण सहित
Parikshit Maharaj.
स्वयं परीक्षित महाराज
Parikshit Maharaj, he asked one question.
हे गुरुदेव
Oh Gurudev,
सुखदेव की संतान
Sukadev
आप तो
Goswami,
कितना बात कर रहे हैं?
you know everything. You know past, present, future.
ये मैंने सुना
I have heard. Question to
सुखदेव
Sukadev Goswami Pad.
पूछा
He asked this question
ये स्वयं भगवान
that Lord Himself,
रुक्मिणी देवी का हरण करके
He kidnapped Rukmani Devi,
और उनके साथ
and then
राक्षस गिरी से
he got married in the Rakshas with this Katha.
इस कथा को सुन करके
After listening this,
स्वयं
Sukadev Goswami Pad,
कहने लगे
he starts
हे
saying,
राजन
O King,
सुनिए,
please listen carefully.
रुक्मिणी के पिता के नाम है
Rukmani father name was Vishma
है।
Shupal.
इसलिए उन्होंने
So that's why
शिशुपाल के साथ विवाह कराने के लिए
he arranged everything. He arranged everything for
देखो, घर में जो
the marriage of Rukmani with the
उसकी बात
Shishupal.
चलती है।
The person who is strong in the family, he's
पिता माता की कहीं कहीं जो दिखा-
was so soft nature. He has so soft nature. The Bhishma was very soft nature.
नम्र स्वभाव के
He
थे।
was very calm and quiet.
किंतु देखो
Calm and quiet.
रुक्मिणी नहीं चाहती थी
Rukmani doesn't want that
राक्षस
she don't want to marry with Shishupal, the bad person. He was glorifying about the Krishna. He told her about the glories of Krishna. And when Rukmani, she heard the most beautiful this Rukmani, she got so much love and affection towards, attraction to Kubja.
कृष्ण के देख करके उनके हृदय में प्रेम उत्पन्न हुआ।
Kubja, in her heart, love manifest for Krishna. Kubja was Kupdi. And when she saw the Krishna, some people ask this question: we never saw the Krishna, we never saw the Lord. How we will get love and affection for the Lord? Some people are asking this question. But no. When you will listen the Hari Katha, then the love and affection. Bhagavad Katha means Lord Himself. Lord enters the ear of the listener, and then He enters in the heart of the listener. Food is going to the leopard. Lion food is going to leopard. Jackal. Today, lion food is going to the jackal. And when Rukmani, when he finished worship of Devi, and at that time there was many soldiers with the Rukmani, and Rukmani, what she did, she jumped on the chariot, and he was for her brother was Rukma was following the chariot of Rukmani. And Balaram, when he knows about this, when he get to know about this, he came at that place and he killed all the soldiers of Rukma. And at that time, Lord Krishna, he wants that Rukma should be killed because he's a bad person. He was abusing to the Krishna. But Rukmani, she said no. He is my brother. Please don't kill him. So Krishna. Now Rukmani and Krishna, where they are? Please come here. Rukmani Krishna.
जय हो श्री राम। विवाह के कीर्तन है। विवाह मंत्र में क्या होता है? हरे हरे राम ओ राम राम हरे हरे। बोलो हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। ओ हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। बोलो